What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. It's really good to see you here. I heard that you always want to learn Chinese, and you should be proud of yourself that you finally get your foot in the door. The very first lesson is about pronunciation. Let's just get started. The phonetic systems in Taiwan and China. In Taiwan, Republic of China, people use traditional writing in MPS, Mandarin phonetic symbols, also called bo, po, mo, fo. In China, People's Republic of China, people use simplified writing in PinYin. MPS is these curvy symbols, while PinYin is just Roman alphabet. Even though I'm from Taiwan and I personally use MPS, I always recommend my students to learn PinYin because I don't want them to spend too much time and effort on learning a brand new system. In this course package, in case you haven't decided which writing you want to learn, I will show both traditional and simplified Chinese. If you need me to help you decide, you may check out this video on my YouTube for more information. Chinese characters. This is a Chinese character. Every Chinese character has at least one meaning, and this character means water. One Chinese character is just one syllable, and a syllable consists of an initial, a final, and a tone, or just a final and a tone. The initial here reads as shi, while the final reads as wei. With third tone, we read this character as shui. PinYin. In PinYin, there are initials and finals. Initials always come first, and some of them cannot build a character by itself. Finals follow initials, and all of them can also exist by itself to build at least one character. Repeat after me and try your best to imitate the way I read it. We start with initials. B, 爸爸 P, 朋友 M, 妈妈 F, 房子 D, 弟弟 T, 头发 N, 奶奶 L, 篮球 G, 哥哥 K, 可乐 P, 孩子 G, 机车 七，气球 习，习惯 之，桌子 吃，窗户 石，石头 日，日期 资，资料 次，彩虹 寺，寺庙 and then its finals 阿姨 O 我 A 爷爷 I 爱 A 为什么 凹笑 O 右手 安全 N 门 ang 方便 镜子 儿子 衣服 午餐 运动 鸭子 悠耶也 咬 游游戏烟烟因为央阳英文蛙握手外面位子晚餐文章王牌红色约会原因晕车永远 Tones. There are 4 tones and 1 neutral tone in Chinese, and they correspond with each other relatively based on everyone's own pitch. Everyone has their own tone range when talking, and it would sound unnatural if you perform a tone out of that range. In order to establish your tone range, we must find your first tone first. First tone is the tone with the highest pitch, and it goes flat up there. When performing it, you should sound at ease and loose. Ma. Second tone starts with the pitch that is lower than first tone, and it goes all the way up to first tone. Ma. Third tone starts with the pitch that is even lower than the starting pitch of second tone, and it bounces back to first tone after going deeper a bit. Ma. Fourth tone starts from first tone, and it goes all the way down. Ma. Neutral tone has no set pitch. Most of the time, its pitch will be very close to the ending pitch of the previous character. It's light and short, and it won't be out of your tone range either. Ma. Let's go over them once again. Ma, 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 ma. How to mark tones? You can only mark tones above A, O, E, I, U, and U with 2 dots. And you must follow the following rules when the mentioned letters show up together in a syllable. Mark A when you see A. Mark OE when there's no A. Mark U when you see IU. Since you have learned Pinyin, please return to the Pinyin section. Read it again with me and try your best to perform tones. Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 1. Pronunciation is one of the biggest difficulties when learning Chinese. Spend time and work hard on it as a beginner. You can definitely sound like a native speaker in the future, and you will appreciate what you have done today. Don't forget to review and practice by yourself with the attached files. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next lesson. Bye!